Welcome to Shimoku, where we transform the way you work with data. Today, we're excited to introduce our latest AI product, the cross-selling template. The dashboard's predictions section is neatly organized into total opportunities, product opportunities, and leads data for a streamlined cross-selling analysis. Total opportunities is color-coded into high, medium, and low metrics, enabling a quick assessment of success probabilities for opportunities. Product opportunities offer a section with top 3 products with high scoring. As sales are more probable in products with high probability, users can navigate to a specialized page that showcases these high potential items. Lastly, the leads data area presents a comprehensive table with detailed information on leads, including personal and product data, lead scoring, and probabilities, along with positive and negative factors. Let's dive deep into the code. The script initiates by loading the necessary modules and setting up the environment. It leverages the Shimoku API Python client, utilizing environment variables for secure integration with Shimoku's cloud services. Within the main function, the Shimoku client is prepared, outdated boards are cleared, and a new dashboard is instantiated. Subsequently, data undergoes a 2-step refinement: transformation for optimal plotting, and then visualization through the plot method for intuitive display on the dashboard. In the transformation phase, the function executes several steps. It starts by fetching pre-model usable predicted data and retrieving personal data. The process then identifies and integrates factors with positive and negative impacts, merging these with actual values. This enriched data is combined with personal information and further merged with pre-model predictions. Finally, it exports the refined data frame as a CSV file, perfectly prepped for effective visualization. To initiate the plotting process, each menu path is represented as a unique class. This approach facilitates the structured creation and visualization of various menu paths. In the predictions page class, the plot method begins by performing calculations on the data to generate indicators. The dashboard's layout is then methodically assembled, with each section plotted through dedicated functions for headings, indicators, information buttons, and data tables. This structured approach ensures a cohesive and informative display on the dashboard. In the Hidden Indicators page class, the plot method focuses on showcasing hidden indicators. It retrieves these indicators using business logic and elegantly displays them on the page. The method also includes setting a title for the Hidden Indicators section and ensures the menu path is hidden post-plotting. Shimoku's cross-selling template is not just a product, it's a gateway to the future of data apps. Dive into our GitHub repository, explore the code, and start building your own AI-powered applications today.